guys, today we'll be making an adorable and simple deco mesh wreath just in time for Valentine's Day. What you will need, I have a wreath ring, and all of these items were purchased at Dollar Tree. So this is a 14-inch wreath ring. And then I have red, white, and pink deco mesh. I chose to go with these colors, but you can go with whatever colors you choose. I have 2 of each of my 3 colors. I usually use about 1.5 rolls of each color. You'll also need scissors or a rotary cutter and some chenille stems. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is take our deco mesh and cut it into 8-inch long pieces. So I have all the deco mesh cut. I have the red, white, and pink cut into 8-inch long pieces. And then I have my chenille stems that I have cut in half. What I'm going to do is separate the red, white, and pink so that I can roll one piece at a time. And I'm going to roll it at a diagonal. Just like that. Now, you do have the option of rolling it at a curl. I like to do it that way sometimes, so it's just completely up to you. Personal preference. But for this specific wreath, I'm going to roll it at a diagonal. And you could mix it up, half curl, half diagonal. So just have fun with it. So I'm rolling the white piece at a diagonal as well, and I'm just placing them, crisscrossing them on top of each other, scrunching it together, take my chenille stem, and twist it together a couple of times, just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then if you need to, you can adjust it, but it looks so cute and adorable. I'm going to do the same thing again, rolling at a diagonal. But this time, I'm going to mix up the colors. So I had white on the top last time, so I want to make sure I have another color on top. And I like to do this so that when I place the bundles on my actual ring, it won't be like the same color on the top. All the colors will alternate, and it'll look even cuter. So this time I have the pink on top, and I like to crisscross so that they're not directly on top of each other, and you can see all of the colors. Scrunch it, place your chenille stem, and then twist it a couple of times. So that's how it looks. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing one more time, but this time I will have the red on top. So I like to alternate having the red, the white, and the pink on top. And that's just how I like to do it. If you want a predominantly pink wreath, then you can put the pink on top each time. So just like play around with it, whatever you prefer. So I'm going to get all of my bundles together. I like to make all of my bundles before I start placing them on the ring because it makes the process faster. And then I will show you what all of my bundles look like. Alright, so I have completed all of the bundles. I have a total of 36 bundles because I placed 6 bundles in each of my 6 sections. I have a total of 108 pieces of deco mesh, 3 pieces in each bundle, and a total of 36 bundles. So, let's get these bundles placed. First thing you're going to do, take a bundle and place the chenille stem around the inner 2 rings. Now if you choose, you can place on the first 2 rings and then the last 2 rings and alternate back and forth. I like to use the center 2 rings. It just seems the most balanced to me. But if you want it wider, then you can definitely alternate the inner 2 and outer 2. Alright, so just twist the chenille stem and then tuck it away. So that looks so cute and precious. And then I'm going to alternate the colors that I placed down. So the first bundle had pink on top. This next bundle has red on top. And then I'll place a bundle with white on top. And just keep alternating all the way around. Again, this is just how I like to do it. But if it doesn't matter to you, then you can do it whichever way you prefer. So I'm just going to continue doing this all the way around the ring. So this is what one bundle looks like, so cute and precious. This is the back. And now I'm just going to continue doing this for my other 5 sections until I am all done. Okay, so we are they're all done, I just like to fluff and adjust and just make sure everything looks really good. This is what the back looks like. So cute and precious. You could definitely add in embellishments. You can add in sparkly hearts, or you can have an adorable sign in the center. The possibilities are endless. Just have fun with it. Personalize it to fit you. But all items were purchased at Dollar Tree, so this wreath can be made for less than $10.